All right, we'll take up file 2006-6662, Kimberly Gillespie and Orville Parrott. And both are here, Ms. Gillespie in person, Mr. Parrott on Zoom. And this is the date and time set for show cause in this matter. Ms. Heaven is here from front of the court. Ms. Heaven, do you have an update?
I do. The defendant has a monthly support obligation of $112 child support, $22 medical support, for a total of $134 a month. He currently owes the plaintiff $4,415.54. To the state, $1,693.30. Fees, $444.69. Total owing, including March's billing, $6,553.53. Last payment received was a $500 bond, November 1st, 2022, $25.22 August 29th, 2020, and $19.68 August 17th, 2020. He does have prior contempt.
All right, and sir, do you agree that you owe the amount stated?
Yes.
All right, you've not been making payments. Why is that?
Well, since November, when I was released from jail, I lost the job that I had, but because I went to jail, I lost that job. Ever since then, any dime that I've made has been trying not to lose my house. My wife was diagnosed with schizophrenia and was hospitalized for her mental health, and she was just released. The job that I applied for recently pushed back my start date till the 16th, which is the day after tomorrow, so that I could be at home with her. So I have a job. I start the day after tomorrow, but I hope not to lose this job like last one, because you guys seem to think that I should sit in jail instead of work. So I have a job and it starts the day after tomorrow. I've already done my orientation and all I have to do is show up.
Where are you working?
It'll be Amazon on 68th Street, I think it is, in Grand Rapids.
All right, so you shouldn't have a problem making payments going forward, correct?
Correct.
All right.
Just that the last few months have been.
How do I know he's going to make the payments? We've been doing this for 17 years and I've gotten, what, 3 payments in the last 5 years? 3 payments. I don't
Would you
trust
rather me sit in jail?
Nothing.
Would you rather me sit in jail and not receive anything?
It doesn't matter. You don't pay anyways, regardless. Ever.
What would you suggest?
He needs to sit in jail more, because then maybe I'll get a payment then. It seems like the only time I ever get a payment is when you sit in jail. You can say you got a job, and guess what? As soon as that payment starts coming out, you quit. You do this every time. Every time.
Oh, I don't.
Yes, you do. Don't give me that look. He's 17. You would almost be done paying if you had just kept paying.
Every time we come to court, all it is a crying show for you.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, because I'm pissed off. Because you're a loser. You have 4 kids. You don't take care of any of them. None.
Says you.
Oh, okay. Really? That's why. Peyton,
We're not here to argue.
child support, Skylar and Aaliyah, they don't get nothing either. She's supposed to be here. She owe her $15,000. So yeah, it's not a crying show. It's a pissed off because you're a loser and don't want to do anything for your kids. You're a loser. And you always will.
All right, I'm done with this court hearing if this is all it's going to be.
All right, this time,
He ain't gonna pay
based
shit.
on the evidence presented, I'll find Mr. Perry in contempt for failing to make payments as ordered. Since 90 days will be held in abeyance with a $2,500 bond. There'll be a higher bond at this time. If you don't make payments, sir, then the bond is $2,500 instead of $500. There's a $100 contempt fine that'll be added to your balance. You need to make your payments each and every month as ordered to avoid having that sentence imposed. We're all set.
All right.
Don't go anywhere.
Yeah.
Huh?
Not you, man.
Oh,
He's got a
okay.
couple more cases.
Okay. Yeah, I know it does. He'll never pay.
Orville, you said you have orientation Thursday?
No, I start on Thursday. I've already had orientation.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry, my mistake.
No problem.
The withholding order will go out overnight.
All
It's
right.
gonna take them time to get it on. You'll get a copy as well. Just monitor your pay. I'm sure you can go online and monitor it. If you don't
Yeah.
see it coming out, you need to contact your payroll.
Okay.
See if there's somewhere else you need to send it, but you also
Well,
need to pay yourself, okay, until it does.
Doesn't it automatically come out when you send that, or?
Well, it takes some time. They have to put it on their system.
Okay.
So it can
All
take
right.
2 to 4 weeks depending upon their process.
No, it's I won't let it be 2 to 4 weeks before I make a payment.
Good plan, good plan. And then, if anything changes, let us know, all right?
I will.
All right, just hang on. He'll be right back.
Okay.
All right, let's see. Now we'll take up file 2010-49683, Jesse Castaneda and Orville Parrott. Mr. Parrott's here. Ms. Castaneda is not. Matter was set for a show cause. Does that give an update in this matter?
Okay, Mr. Perot has a obligation of $182 child support, $36 medical support for a total of $218 a month. Currently owes the plaintiff $8,808.38. The state $5,743.14. Fees $255.50. Total owing, including March's billing, $14,807.02. We received $204.32 in May of 2020, $2.81 in April of 2020. There are no prior contempts on this case.
Is there anything else you want to say in this case?
No, just that I can pay. I can start paying on Thursday, or after the first check comes, actually.
All right, in this case as well, I'll find you contempt for failing to make the payments that are ordered. Since the 90 days will be held in abeyance with a $2,500 bond. You need to pay each month as ordered to avoid having that sentence imposed. There's a $100 contempt fine.
Okay.
One more here. Let's see. And this file 2005-5718, Sandra Cooper and Orville Parrott. Mr. Parrott's here. Ms. Cooper is not. Ms. Evan, do you have an update?
The defendant has a monthly obligation of $74 child support, $15 medical support for a total of $89 a month. Currently owes the plaintiff $5,184.83. Fees $280. Total owing, including March's billing, $5,464.83. We received $500 bond November 1st, 2022, $38.16 August 29th, 2020, and $61.61 August 17th, 2020. He does have prior contempts in this case.
All right. Is there anything else you want to say in this matter?
Is this case, this last one right now, is this ongoing? Because he was 18 last year.
This is Peyton. We have support ending May 31st, 2023.
So he must
Okay.
he must be a senior. You can support
Yeah, he's a
him
senior.
up until 19 and a half if a child's in school, going on a regular basis with an expectation of graduation.
Gotcha. Okay, yeah, he's gonna graduate.
All right. All right, at this time then in this matter, I'll find Mr. Parrott in contempt, 90 days held in abeyance, $2,500 bond. You need to pay each month as ordered to avoid having that sentence imposed. There's a $100 contempt fine. You should be all set, sir.
Roger that.
Thank you.
Thank you. Fucking Kim. Well, as long as I make payments, as long as it comes on my check, then I'm good. Kim fucking dude, she's something else every fucking time.
Your voice is